Can you remove a background from an image, or get daily new wallpapers with a countdown to a certain date, or set alarms on intervals automatically, and that too for free? No, right? Then here are the best Siri shortcuts for you in 2021. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in, shall we? Hi there, this is Mufaddal with Apple Vibes, where you learn more about your Apple products. The first and the most useful Siri shortcut is network refresh. Now usually if we have a bad cellular connection, what most of us do is enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable airplane mode again. And I'm telling you, this really works, but what if you could do all that with just one tap like this? Airplane mode and back. Remembering certain dates can be tricky at times, but if you are reminded every day with a countdown of remaining days until the date of the event, well, that can be a game changer. You'll get these options after you run this shortcut. Now make your own combination here. For example, I want my own image as the wallpaper, a date for the event, a text, and maybe a shadow for the text, and tap on done. I'll choose an image, then the event date, name of the event, it could be a birthday or something, and finally set the shadow color as white. The final preview will look like this. Now tap on set. That will be all, but you will have to run the shortcut every day to change the counting towards the event date. So either you can run the shortcut daily manually or use automations instead. Add an automation, select time of day, set custom time to midnight, repeat to daily and next. Add action, search for run shortcut and select countdown wallpaper as your shortcut. Next, disable ask before running and done. The wallpaper and every effect will be the same, but the count will get updated every day. Liking my shortcuts? It would be awesome if you could subscribe and give this video a like. Have you ever wanted to copy text from an image? Well, that's 100% possible with this next shortcut, but you'll need to install a free app called Toolbox Pro from the App Store first. Then run the shortcut, choose an image you want the text extracted from, and within a matter of seconds you'll have the text. You can then copy or share it from the shared options here. A bonus tip: if you want to extract text from anywhere on your iPhone, just take a screenshot of that and run this shortcut. I personally can't wake up from a single alarm, especially if it's an early morning alarm. Now Alarm Plus lets you create multiple alarms with intervals, and you can also delete or toggle all alarms just from a single tap. Now we'll tap on create and type in the number of alarms you need to wake up. Set time for your first alarm. Then set the duration of the intervals between the alarms. I think 5 minutes should be good enough. And voila, 5 alarms, each between an interval of 5 minutes. Setting a wallpaper can only be done through settings or the Photos app, right? Well, not anymore. Anywhere where you can share a photo on your iPhone, may it be from files or notes or even Safari. Simply share that image and run the shortcut set as wallpaper from the share sheet. Select where you want to set the wallpaper, adjust the wallpaper accordingly, and here's a new wallpaper change from the Files app. Next is a shortcut for ultimately optimizing your iPhone's battery power. There are a total of 6 modes and one of them is for fast charging. When you tap on one of the mode, it's going to give you a detailed list of what's going to happen in that mode. And trust me, it actually works like a charm. So if you want to go ahead with that mode, you can enable it from here. You won't notice any difference because I'm screen recording. Now you must be wondering how to disable a battery mode. Well, run the shortcut again and select the last option, that's deactivate modes, and simply deactivate from here. Now here comes the best shortcut of this video. This shortcut is amazing to remove the background from an image. Run the shortcut, remove background, then select an image from the Photos app. It basically removes backgrounds from a pic with a person or faces in it. So here's a good example. It can take some time to process. Once you have the result, tap on the image and share it or save it from here. Always on display is a feature which almost every Android devices have nowadays, but it's not possible to get it on an iPhone directly. A workaround is using this shortcut. You'll again need a free app called OLED X from the App Store. Now run the shortcut after you download the app, tap on lock. But with this shortcut you won't get calls or notifications, which is a super drawback, but in return you get this always on display. From settings here you can make some custom changes to the always on display. This shortcut is technically using guided access to get an always on display. So for exiting this, you will have to triple tap and enter a password if you have one, or use the Face ID. Watch some more awesome Siri shortcut videos and do not forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thanks for watching. My name is Mufaddal. This is Apple Vibes. Take care and I will see you in the next video.